Hello and welcome. I'm Teresa, the head of marketing at Mysa HQ. In this video, I'm excited to walk you through our comprehensive energy management system designed specifically for multi-location restaurants and retailers with an average footprint of 20,000 square feet or less. I'll show you how Mysa HQ can help you monitor, control, and optimize your HVAC and refrigeration systems across all your locations from one centralized dashboard. Let's get started. Welcome to the Mysa HQ portfolio page. Here, you can see all your sites and any associated alerts at a glance. This central dashboard makes it easy to monitor your entire portfolio in one place. Notice how you can sort alerts by date, severity, or however you prefer. This flexibility helps you prioritize your response efforts effectively. On the map, you can click on any alert for more details and even leave a note if desired. Perfect for team communication or follow-up reminders. Let me show you the filtering capabilities. Let's try filtering by thermostat offline. Now, you're only seeing thermostats that are offline, which can be incredibly helpful for diagnosing network or power issues across multiple locations at once. Moving to the thermostat section, here you can see all of your thermostats at a glance, displayed in either card or grid view, depending on your preference. From this page, you can also open a specific location schedule with just a click. Schedules are a powerful feature that allow you automate thermostat set point changes down to the minute. This precision ensures optimal comfort during operating hours while maximizing energy savings during closed periods. The intuitive interface makes it simple to create schedules that match your business operations exactly. Beyond regular scheduling, you can also add one-off events that will bypass the typical schedule for a specified duration. This is perfect for scenarios like an after-hour staff party, extended holiday operations, or special events. The system will automatically revert back to the regular schedule once the event is over, eliminating the risk of someone forgetting to reset the thermostat. This feature combines flexibility with the security of knowing your energy management will return to normal without manual intervention. Let's explore the reporting tab. Here, you can view comprehensive data like ambient temperature versus set points over any period of time. This visualization helps you verify that your comfort settings are being maintained and identify any potential HVAC performance issues. You can also access detailed information around device activity, showing precisely when a schedule is activated or modified. The relay activity reports allow you to monitor when your HVAC equipment is in cooling versus heating mode, giving you insight into system operation and energy usage patterns. These reports can be exported or scheduled for regular delivery to key stakeholders, making it easy to share performance data with management or property owners without requiring additional access to the system. If you're concerned about staff adjusting thermostat set points, like many are, Mysa HQ offers quick and easy lockout options. A full lockout will require a person to input a PIN on the device in order to make any set point changes, providing maximum control. Alternatively, a partial lockout allows you to determine a specific temperature range that the thermostats can be adjusted within, and for how long that adjustment can be activated before automatically returning to the predefined schedule. This balanced approach maintains comfort while preventing extreme or forgotten adjustments. From the My Org tab, you can set account permissions at the national, regional, or site level. This granular control is particularly handy for giving your HVAC contractor precisely the access they need to either manage or troubleshoot HVAC issues, without providing unnecessary access to other locations or features. Finally, I'm excited to share that we've partnered with Disruptive Technologies to offer Mysa HQ customers even more monitoring capabilities. You can access the DT dashboard directly from Mysa HQ, creating a seamless experience. From this dashboard, you can view and monitor critical environmental factors like CO2 levels. You can track refrigeration temperatures to ensure food safety and reduce spoilage risks. The occupancy status monitoring provides valuable insights into space utilization patterns over time. What makes this integration particularly powerful is the ability to determine how often you want data to be transmitted based on your business's unique requirements. Need minute-by-minute CO2 readings for a healthcare facility? No problem. Prefer hourly temperature checks for refrigeration units to ensure compliance? You can set that too. The combined power of Mysa HQ and Disruptive Technologies gives you unprecedented visibility into your facility's operations, enabling more informed decisions and proactive management. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for joining me on this tour of Mysa HQ. If you're ready to learn more, reach out to our sales team. They can provide you with a personalized demo tailored to your specific business needs and answer any questions you might have. See you later.